Welcome to the Macmillan Learning video series on Sapling Learning Deep Integration with Canvas.
This video will show you how to add Sapling Learning content to Canvas.
Adding assignments from your Sapling course creates a link to those assignments in your Canvas course and allows grades for those items to sync with Canvas. Many of our customers find it very helpful to use this video series to follow along while they complete these steps. Please feel free to pause this video while you make changes in your course or LMS. Before adding items to your Canvas course, make sure they are prepared in your Sapling Learning course. Assign Sapling Learning items on your Activities and Due Dates page. Make sure the visible box is checked.
Make sure there is a point value higher than 0 for points possible if you want the item to have a gradebook column in Canvas.
Sapling Learning gradebook categories and calculations do not transfer from Sapling Learning to Canvas. Please create assignment groups and rules for assignment groups within Canvas to utilize weighted percentages or drop lowest scores. Due dates are not required, but any due dates you set will transfer to Canvas. If you set any available from dates, students will see the assignment in Canvas but not be able to access it until the available from date. Any due dates and points you set must be set in the Sapling Learning course, not in Canvas. Due dates or points set in Canvas will either be replaced with the due dates and points from Sapling during grade sync or cause the grade sync to fail entirely. Log into your Canvas account and locate the course where you'd like to add Sapling Learning content. Click Macmillan Learning in the left navigation menu, then click Macmillan Content. Sapling Learning content that has been assigned with a due date will appear in the Assignments folder. Items assigned for points but without a due date can be found in the chapter folders below. Click the checkboxes next to the assignments that you wish to add. Gray unbolded font indicates that the item is available to add. Items with a bold font have already been added to Canvas.
Items that have not been assigned in the Sapling Learning course but still appear on the Activities and Due Dates page are available for selection within the unit folders below the Assignments folder. A Sapling Home link and a Student Registration link are also available to be added. These links both go to the Sapling course homepage. A student can click on either one or any other Sapling Learning link in Canvas to begin the registration process. Using one of these links gives students access to unassigned items that can't be added to Canvas because they don't appear on the Activities and Due Dates page. Their ebook, for example.
Once you've selected your items, click Next, choose Location. There are 4 options for locations in Canvas to add Sapling Learning assignments. If you do not wish to add items to a Canvas module, do not select a location. Items will be added to the Assignments tab of Canvas.
This is not an option for items that are unassigned or assigned for 0 points.
To add the items to a pre-existing Canvas module, select that module from the Choose a Module dropdown. Select Choose Multiple Modules to add items to different modules. Click Create New Module to create a new Canvas module. Once the module is created, you can select it from the drop-down list. When you have made your selection, click Deploy Selected Content. Close the Confirmation tab to return to Canvas. To publish Sapling Learning items, access the Modules or Assignments tab. If you do not publish items, students will not see the assignments in Canvas, and gradebook columns for the assignments will not appear in the Canvas gradebook. If you are using modules, the modules including the assignments must also be published. Once you've published the items, you are finished adding them to your course and students will be able to start working on them.
Non-gradebook items will have chain link icons, and gradebook items will have assignment icons.
If you're viewing this video on YouTube, check out the links in the description field for instructions on the other integration steps and troubleshooting.